Jetzt sind alle Räder und Reifen montiert. Und now it's time for the Drehmomentschlüssel aus Deutschland. Ich setz alles auf Rot mit Gedore Red. Here is the Ferrari under the Drehmomentschlüssel, under the torque wrenches, Gedore. We're going to see how it works now. The car needs to be set to 140 and we're going to try it out now. This German torque wrench is very easy to operate. As you can see, there's a very clear screen here with the tens and here with the singles. You pop the end to release it and then you basically start turning till you get to the right setting. And here you have a very clear vision of the singles also. Let's set it to 140 Nm. So we're now at 141 actually. I went with Gedore because all these torque wrenches from Gedore, they are certified by a German institute. You get also a certificate with it. Then you know for sure that you actually get also the value that you set it for. And that has been calibrated. So always up to factory settings you can torque your wheels, which is much safer than buying a cheap product from the internet or trusting it in somebody else's hands. If you do it too much, you can damage the tread wear of your tires. If you do it too little, your wheels can come off. So if you do it according to factory settings with a high quality calibrated device, it's always safe and you'll never get in trouble. And if you own this, after 50 or 100 kilometer, you can retorque them just to make sure for double safety that everything is the way it should be. Let's torque some wheels here. You set the torque wrench on the wheel nuts and you can do this even with one hand. Listen now. There you go. That's 140 Nm. The Gedore Red has a very clear clicking sound. Yeah, it's very stable, very strong. And I'm quite happy I purchased this device in a set. It has everything you need. This looks very stable. Yeah, I mean, I do this for the first time. I don't have a lot of comparison. But I can tell you that it feels good in the hand and that it's not some flimsy product. Sehr tolles Produkt aus Deutschland. Germany, you can be proud of your tools. Gedore gets the job done all the way up to 200 Nm. Herzlichen Dank.